Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Physics Surgery. It's a happy announcement, happy day for me and also the subscribers, right? So we have finished 50 videos in no time and all of them quality videos. In case you have not gone through them, so please do make sure you go to the playlist area, try to go through the different playlists that I have made out, and in that happy sense and also with a purpose, I should say, just because it's 50 videos, I didn't want to make an announcement. I've been going through your comments in the recent past and people have come up with suggestions that I have to start posting some solutions for important questions for the previous years, IPHO, INPHO, Jan Calda. Then there's a lot of resource that we could use, right? And I was waiting for this day because now the dates for the Olympiads are announced and there's been they've announced it, and I think in November, last Sunday is the first exam. So I would like to officially announce the Olympiad workout series, in which I would be frequently posting from now onwards, almost every day, and maybe 4 to 5 videos per week on this series. Rest of the things also will keep going on. So only in this series you'll be having 4 to 5 videos itself. So a lot of stuff. So there are other announcements that I have already made regarding Pathfinder solution series also I have announced. So all these things will be taken care of, and I just want to announce in this particular video going ahead what type of syllabus and what are the reference books that should be followed by students in order to crack Olympiads together. So let's move ahead. So the introduction part, right? So the Olympiad workout series aims at getting students accustomed to the challenges and thrills of concepts required for physics Olympiads of 3 stages. So in India, I think you know, and this is just a formal introduction, you have 3 stages, one in November, and that is NSEP, and then somewhere in February you'll end up having the second stage, which is a National Olympiad, also known as INPHO. And then once you get selected to it, you will have a camp, preparatory camp, and then if you go through that, you will be representing India at IPHO next year. So this is the idea, and those students who are not preparing for this year, right, and I think they will be even eligible to write. So Olympiad is one exam where you will be able to write it in 11th and 12th both. So if you start early for the preparation, there is a very good chance you get a golden opportunity to represent our country at an international level. Okay, so this series that I'm going to start will include solutions to previous INPHO, which is Indian Physics Olympiad, and APHO, Asian Physics Olympiad, and IPHO, which is International Physics Olympiad problems. So we'll go from the latest years to the backside, okay, so that we can take up as many questions as possible. Okay, also the solutions to the previous Olympiads of other countries. There are other very good countries exams, right? So not all exams are standard, but some countries actually have a very good standard, so we'll pick those countries questions also. There have been situations where such questions were modified and re-asked in our INPHO, so it's a very good resource that we can go into. And we can also have Jane Calda, someone suggested, so I'll be taking questions. I already taken 1 or 2 questions which I didn't officially mention, right? So I'll now put that with a tagline, right, so that you know where the sources are coming from. Then the explanation of the concepts beyond JE, some of the Olympiad syllabus that you'll have even at the INPHO level requires concepts beyond JE, and I have already started a resolved series in which those concepts were touched upon. I think latest workout video, Olympiad workout video 7, I think, has been released today, and that was based on the continuum flow versus molecular flow logic, right? So please make sure you go through that. The link is in the description. The playlist of the workout series, which already has certain videos, is in the description below. So please go through that so that you'll get an idea of what standard of questions we'll be looking at. So I'll be uploading all these things. And specially created unseen challenges, you have seen I've been creating some new questions also, those questions which will enable you to master your concepts in physics. So these are the 4 important things. I'll give more priority right now at the start because the exams are coming closer to the previous exam questions. Okay, the first 2 would be of the major priority for us right now. And what is the syllabus for INPHO and IPHO? Some of the students were requesting. So same as NSCP for INPHO, which is again Indian Physics Olympiad, which would be held in the February. This is the second stage. It is same as the first stage, which is nothing but CBSE. There's no specified syllabus. So you should be thorough with your NCERT textbook completely. Doesn't mean they'll ask questions at the NCERT level. So the concepts would be NCERT, but the problem solving skills that are required would be slightly higher level. So that's the reason why you should solve the previous INPHO question papers. The same is the case in IPHO. There is a particular syllabus that has been released, but again, there is no hard and fast rule that they should stick to it. I've given a link in the description below, which gives you a file for the IPHO syllabus. Okay, so that's a tentative syllabus which you can use as a reference, but this is far away, right? First you need to cross INPHO, so you just download that link and keep it safe so that it will be useful when you go to that stage. Okay, so that's the syllabus part. Then NSCP date for this particular year, it is November 22nd, Sunday. I think all the three Olympiads are on the same day. So physics will be in the morning, somewhere around 8:30 to 10:30, I guess. And details of this entire poster that NSCP people have released is in the description below. So you can please download that and go through all the details, how to apply and all that stuff. And most important part, what are the reference books that are required through this journey of 3 stages of Olympiad? So the books that will be covering will be actually required even for INPHO. Okay, so the first we'll go for textbooks, and then we'll go for the problem solving books. So textbooks means theory, also problems included, whereas the problem solving set will look at only the problems part. Okay, so I have listed the important books that I suggest to my students who have got a lot of medals in the last 6 to 7 years. I've been working with brilliant students in the China campus and all that, so we have got very good results in physics Olympiad. So these are the books that students, and not just our students, you ask any good lecturer and good teacher, and also the previous medalists, they will be suggesting most of these books. So the mechanics part, so I would request you take a snapshot instead of me reading through. It's very clearly written. So one thing that I would suggest is you search the same name in the Google with a PDF for a download it, go through it, and if you like it, it's better always to buy a hard copy of these books. So having it in your hand, underlining things when you are reading them, keeping a track of things is the best thing you can do. But if in case you want to work on the PDF itself, I think in Google you can search and you'll get readily available versions of the PDF in this particular thing. Okay, I'm not supposed to put the PDF because of the copyright issues here. Okay, so the thing is, these things you take a snapshot and keep a search. Okay, so in case of mechanics, I think the first books, two books are a must, and third is a decent book, but not all of it is required for the INPHO. Maybe for IPHO you would require it. So but in case the time is not sufficient, you go for the first two books itself. Okay, right, this is the mechanics part. And before I go to the other topics like electromagnetism and all that, one very important thing that I would like to tell you is that I'm very happy with the way the things are going with my channel. But one of the things that was surprising is that a number of people who are watching and liking my videos, 47.4% have not yet subscribed. So it won't take much when this kind of quality content is being provided to you, in case you have not yet subscribed, right? So please make sure, because of the flow of the content that you're going to get in the next 1 or 2 months, it's not much to just hit a subscribe button right now. Okay, so and also those who have subscribed, try to share it with more people, right? You can share it among your Facebook pages, WhatsApp groups and all that, so that we'll get more congregation of students. They will be sharing a lot of things with us, right, in the comment section, and we'll start getting more and more vibes along the preparation. So it should not be a closed group, it should be open spreading of knowledge is what would motivate me to put more and more content into it. So I hope you do understand this idea, right? And please do subscribe and also share the content and make the subscriber base a better one. Okay, so let's move on. The heat and thermodynamics part, the two are very good books actually for the approaching the theory part and also some of the problem solving skills. Okay, so the first one is this Eunice Senegal, and second one is by Zimansky. So you just search in the same names, you'll be able to get them. Waves and sound, AP French is like a Bible in waves and sound for Olympiad. So please make sure you have a hand on this particular book. Okay, so and then special relativity at times will be asked in INPHO. There have been instances, but the weightage of this topic is very less, okay, in INPHO at least. IPHO, yes, there will be a significant weightage. So HC Verma Volume 2 for beginners, if you have not yet read special relativity at all, I think Volume 2 is one of the best starting books to have a great simple language, the way to understand nice diagrams and basic English. Okay, so I think this is the best way to go forward. In case you have already have mastered HC Verma Volume 2 on special relativity, I think I would suggest AP French again for special relativity. Okay, so that's it. Next, electricity and magnetism. Standard books. You ask any professor, I think the first two books would be the very standard books. So David Griffiths and Purcell books should be there. And that third one, you can use it as an optional one. Okay. And modern physics, again, two standard books that everyone would suggest, especially at 11th and 12th class level. One is the Survey Moses and Moyer, and other one is the Arthur Beiser. So these are the books that you need to have for text reference. Then coming to the problem practice sets, okay, most of these things I'll be covering in my Olympiad workout series. So, but in case you want to do more and more, I think you need to get a hand of all these things, right? So first is you are supposed to solve the previous NSCP papers as quickly as possible in the next 2 months before you attempt your November's exam. INPHO papers, APHO, Asian Physics Olympiad papers, IPHO. This IPHO and APHO you can start attempting after November, right? But in my channel, I'll be doing selected problems already from all these things from the start itself, so that you get accustomed to it. But on a personal level, I would request you to start doing the first two immediately. Okay. Then there is a Yung Kyo Lim all volumes. You just type this name and type problems and solutions. You'll get 4 or 5 volumes of different books, mechanics, thermodynamics, and all these other topics that I have talked about. So these volumes contain all the nice Olympiad questions from different countries at one place. So it's a good PDF to have. Try to download it and you'll see, and I'll be picking questions from these also. Like workout example 7 that you have the link in the description below. The Olympiad workout series problem number 7 is from Yung Kyo Lim. Okay, so it's a Princeton University problem in the past. Okay, so Pathfinder physics, I've already announced a Pathfinder series solution, so we'll be doing as many as possible, maybe daily, even 1 or 2, and so that within next 2 or 3 months we will cover as many questions as possible from Pathfinder. I'll pick some questions from 200 puzzling problems. For the last 2, I'll announce a series next week, right? 200 puzzling problems, Kroto, Holix, Shelnov, then L.A. Sena is also suggested book. So all these things I'll start announcing the series once we are comfortable with these things for this particular week. Okay, so these are the problem practice sets. So this is our first, after the announcement, not the first problem in the series. This is already 8th problem. So for the rest of the 7 problems, please go to the playlist link for the Olympiad workout series. You can search it in my playlist or directly go to the link in the description below. There are already 7 problems in it. Try to go through them. This is the 8th one for which the solution will be given in 1 or 2 days, right? So once we start, we'll start doing it very quickly. Okay, so this is a question from Online Physics Olympiad 2020, the one that recently happened. It happened online, and it has got very good problem set, and this is one of them. So try to take a snapshot. It's a simple magnetic field problem, but it has got a very good trick that can be actually used even in JEE. So try to go through this, and once you're done, try to post your solution or final answer in the comments below. So we'll see by tomorrow night how many people will get it right. Okay, so I'll give the solution of this in 1 or 2 days. Most probably tomorrow night we'll be posting this solution. So before that, you give it a fair try. Okay, right. So that is it. And as I keep saying, just spread the knowledge, subscribe, share, and as I requested, right, increase the subscriber base so that we become a stronger family. Okay, so see you in the next video of the Olympiad workout series. Thank you and goodbye.